love to dance, and we will dance with each other now. And kiss.
Did she bonk ya?
Yeah.
Whoops. Is it almost the end? Can you do a bow, Violet? Do you do a bow? Show her how to do a bow. What is that, Violet? What do you call that? Shaking your booty?
And that will be all for tonight.
Any more kisses?
Love you.
Violet's still shaking her booty.
We love you all.
You gonna come give a blow kisses? Violet, are you blowing kisses? Oh.
We love you all. That'll be all for tonight.
Ta-da!